Hi friends, and welcome to Susan Recipes. Today we are going to prepare a chutney which is a tasty and healthy one. It's prepared with flaxseed, which is easily available in the market and is also known as TC. This flaxseed has been powdered, as you can see. Just grind the flaxseed and you can store it in a airtight container. Salt. Here I have chopped onions, coriander leaves and green chilies. Apart from all these ingredients, we are going to use water for mixing. So now let's start cooking. So first we are going to take the onions and put it in the bowl. We'll add the TC, which is the flaxseed, powdered flaxseed. Adding the salt. Now we'll add water to this. To mix it nicely. The ratio for this is 1 big onion, and for 1 big onion we have used 6 teaspoons of flax seeds. You can also put 7, it depends on your ingredients. Now as you can see, this mixture is ready. It's ready to serve. So here our yummy chutney is now ready. We serve this with roti. It goes well. I hope you liked my recipe. For more of my recipes, please log on to my website www.susanrecipes.com. Please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.